Mason. Do you miss Daddy?
Daddy.
Yeah, do you miss Daddy?
Oh, at work?
He's at work.
Mommy.
Yeah, he's at work. Are those cold? Are you eating strawberries?
Okay.
Strawberries? And Mommy's gonna make you hot dog?
Adam.
Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Right?
Okay.
Where's Daddy?
Ini.
Where is he?
Oh,
He's at work?
okay.
Yeah, he's not outside. He's at work. Say hi, Daddy. Oh, he's not there. Say bye-bye.